Hey Chads, we're back with another promotional video, but this time it's from a new seller. The seller's name is Offwhite Factory, and as the name implies, they're known for their off-white Nike shoes. And here obviously we got the off-white Chicago Air Jordan 1s. Here I'll just show them off a bit. Here you can look at the text. As you can see, the stitching is really good all around, all over the whole shoe. Actually, it was one of the best quality-wise wraps I've ever gotten. I don't see any like missing stitches or any glue, anything like that. So, just like the Lynn video, I just want to mention that this video and the shoes were given to me by the seller for free to make the review, but still totally unbiased and everything. But I just want to make that known. Just make sure that you, when you decide what seller to buy from, you have an informed decision and you don't just buy because of me saying they're good or whatever, right? So here we got the StockX tag. One thing I really can't compliment them on, is the shoelace text. On most wrap pairs, the shoelaces, the text comes off very easily, including retail, honestly. My friend's retail off-white Air Jordan 1s, the shoelace text came off relatively quickly as well. But as you can see, it looks pretty good on this pair. So the shoe looks good overall, but there's some slight flaws, of course. So two flaws I've noticed is, first off, the toe box is square, or it's more so square than a normal Jordan 1 or an off-white Jordan 1. You can kind of notice it here. It's supposed to be more like this, but on my pair it's slightly more square. Another flaw is the back material right here. You can't really notice from a photo, but the material is different than on the retail pairs, but that's nothing to be worried about in my opinion. Here, I'll show the text one more time. A clear shot. And this side as well. And we'll show the other shoe, of course, and then we'll move over to the box. The box came in pretty good condition, although I'll show that in a second. So here we just got same problem with the back, and same problem here. But honestly, I still think they're the first or the second best batch for these Jordan 1s. I'll have the link in the description, of course, to buy them. But here we got the box. Let me just move the shoes out of the way. Alright, well, here's the box. Here's the box. It says Jumpman around the top. And then on the front, of course, there's the size label. Sorry. There's some air bubbles on that. I'm not sure if that is a flaw, but the box really doesn't matter, in my opinion, unless you're going to be reselling, which you shouldn't. Now we'll just open it up. So as you can see, it's just an inside-out version of the Jordan 1 box, which is how it's supposed to look. We've got the tissue paper in here. Alright, so here's what we got. So I'll just explain what we got. So obviously there's the little zip tie. It's probably not gonna focus, but there's the zip tie. The text looks fine. It didn't come attached to the shoe, which is good because I don't I don't really like how that looks, but we also got we have the green laces here, the white laces here, and the orange laces here. The black laces that are on the Jordan 1s, those came on the shoe already in the X pattern. There's also these little things. I'm really not sure. Here, I'll show them. These cardboard things. I think they're for the box, but I'm not sure. The StockX tag was also in there, but I took it off. I took it out of the box and I put it on the shoe just to show it off better. And well, I mean, that's really it. I mean, I'll have the link in the description. It's owfactory.net. I totally advise buying them if you're looking to buy these shoes. They're really good. They're probably everybody's grail, or at least most people's. So if you want to get them for, you know, 1/20th, 1/30th of the price, they look pretty good to me. Anyway, so I'll be uploading some more videos later tonight. So if you want to check those out, just subscribe, and yeah, see you boys.